Religious leaders in Kisumu have condemned the unrest that took place in Kisumu yesterday. Several women were injured and property of unknown value destroyed on Wednesday after armed youth attacked an interreligious peace meeting at the Jumuiya Hotel in Kisumu County over claims that they were buying national identification cards to be used in the forthcoming fresh presidential election. A Facebook post that alleged there was buying of ID cards at the hotel triggered reaction, leading to chaos in Kisumu. Police dispersed the youth using tear gas canisters, but they were adamant and vowed to set ablaze the hotel. For more details, let's now speak to our reporter Rashid Ronald live from Kisumu. Rashid, what is the situation currently given the kind of chaos that was witnessed there yesterday?
Thank you very much, Akisa Wandera. Today things are calm, other than the fact that the leadership of NCCK from this region, Nyanza branch, came out strongly condemning yesterday's incident at Jumuiya Hotel. Remember, Jumuiya Hotel is owned by NCCK Nyanza region. There, actually, the leadership was saying, the NCCK leadership was saying that, you see, they have held very many meetings in the past, and some of them peace meetings at Jumuiya, and even yesterday's meeting was a peace meeting which was organized by religious leaders from the region to actually discuss peace. Remember, they're saying that they chose women because women are a very, very integral component when it comes to the society. And of course, they're teaching them on how to ensure that the youths do not indulge into criminal activities as we head to the October 17th presidential election. And of course, they took us through what happened yesterday. Remember, the perimeter where those road youths actually brought down a perimeter wall to that hotel, and of course handbags was stolen from the women, money, laptops, and many other things. And they're wondering, they're saying they could have been more into that, because we're wondering why the same youths, after flashing out those women, some of them went into rooms, searching into rooms, and stealing from people inside the room. So they're saying probably they could be much into what happened yesterday. And of course, they're also calling on the leadership from this region to ensure that they don't really incite the youths into causing unnecessary harm in the society. They're saying Nyanza, there's a lot of investment in Kisumu which needs to be taken care of, and for us in the region to attract investment, of course, we have to maintain peace in the region. Let's now listen to what they said.
The operations of the hotel have not been disrupted to the public, as our clients are assured of our continued services. Members of the public are urged to desist from engaging in criminal act. We condemn the security organ for their swift. We commend the security organ for their swift intervention and control of the rival youth without any casualty. We also urge the security organ to intensify their surveillance to prevent such eventualities in the entire Nyanza region.
Yeah, Akisa Wandera, that's part of the NCCK leadership here in Kisumu. Of course, you've had them condemning the incident yesterday. And of course, Akisa, remember, all these things started when somebody somewhere actually posted on his Facebook page that there was something fishy happening there, and that message spread like a bushfire in the Hamad, and then the youths stormed that place. And of course, we are told that, we're given to understand that the author of that Facebook, the owner of that Facebook account has been arrested, and police are saying that actually release more details on as far as investigations are concerned. Back to you, Akisa.
Well, Rashid, quickly, before I let you go, the owner of that particular Facebook account has been arrested. What about those who caused mayhem in that hotel? Are you aware of any arrests that have been made?
Yeah, the investigations are still on as we speak right now, Akisa Wandera. But thank God that the leadership of or the management of Jumuiya are telling us that they have a lot of leads towards those getting hold of those people, because they were captured on the CCTV camera in that hotel. So they are hoping that by the end of 2-3 days from now, of course, many people will be arrested, Akisa.